Welcome to English with Awais Malik. In this video, we are going to discuss about another very important topic, and that is about understanding of English language. As we know that to understand something is sometimes difficult for everyone, but when you follow the given instruction, when you follow a certain rules, you will be able to understand every sort of difficult task. But if you are facing a problem about English language understanding, so this video is for you, and don't forget to watch it till the end. So without wasting your time, let's start. Understanding language is not a difficult task, and when you follow a certain rules and certain parameters and certain things, you will be able to get your goals about understanding of English language. As an English language user, we are facing a lot of difficulties that we are not able to understand how to use it, how to conversate with the help of this language, and how can we understand the structure of this language. In this video, I am going to share with you a very useful activities which helps you to understand English language easily. So friend, let's get started from the first. So as far as the first activity is concerned, that is about reading. And reading, as you know that this is a very crucial, a very important whenever you want to achieve anything. So as far as the understanding of language is concerned, in this context, reading is very important. When you read something, you familiarize yourself and introduce yourself to different new things. When you read certain texts, when you read certain other things, you will be found yourself to be that unable to want to achieve a certain vocabulary with the help of reading. So reading is the first point that you have to work on it as you want to improve the understanding of English language. After reading, the next point, and that is also important as far as the understanding of language is concerned, and that point is listening. If you read and then you listen a lot, you will be found yourself to be a new one, and you will found yourself to be a better understanding thinking as well. When you want to achieve, when you want to understand a language, you have to work on it. You have to work on reading, then you have to listening, and listening is also very important. As we know that if you are a good listener, we will able to speak in a better way. If we are a good listener, we are able to write in a better way. If we are a listener, we are able to make a thing easier for ourselves. So listening is another important point in this context. Next point, and that is also very important as far as the understanding of language is concerned, and that point, movies. These activities will help you to improve your understanding about English language. Watching movies, when you find out a movies and watch it with the help of different subtitles, you will get a lot of phrases, words, sentences that you have to utilize it in your daily routines. So this will help you to improve your understanding about English language. Watching movies, you will see a lot of scenes, you will face and understand a lot of situations, you will also get a lot of thinking and ideas with the help of movies. So movies watching is also a very useful activity as well as the understanding of language is concerned. So if you want to improve your English language and want to improve your understanding about this language, you just have to work on these points. First you have to work on reading, then you need to work on listening, and next to work on watching movies. Next point, and that is also very important, it is listening music. If you listen music, you will find to get how to pronounce the word. If you listen music, you will find yourself how to repeat the thing, how you conversate and how you chat with other people. Listening music will help you to make the things and pronounce the things and acquire the things in appropriate way. So listening music is also a very important in the format of understanding of English language. Next point is that is also very important, and that is gets a vocabulary with the help of apps. We find out and know more of the apps. Many of apps are available on different formats. If you found out on the Play Store, you will get a lot of apps which will help you to get many new words, which helps you to improve your vocabulary. So if you want to improve your vocabulary, you just have to download a 2 and 3 different apps on your Android, and then you have to get new words with the help of those apps, and then you utilize those new words in your daily routines. So when you utilize and use those words in your routine, you will find yourself to be a better understanding about the words. And when you understand a single word, you switch yourself to a phrases, then sentences and paragraph. So this is also a useful activity as far as the understanding of English language is concerned. So friend, no one denies the importance of YouTube. Watching movies, videos on YouTube is also helpful for you to understand a language. On YouTube, you will get a lot of lectures, you will get a lot of videos about language uses, about the structure of English language, about the new words, new grammar, new vocabulary as well. So, watching movies, videos on different courses available on the YouTube. So, if you are new on this channel, so you just have to subscribe it and press the bell icon for the new videos notification. So this will be available for all of you to get new formats, to get updating things about the English language using and understandings of English language. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for improving your English language. Next point, and that is also important. When you are a student and learning English language, a learner at beginning level, all of you are sitting in the class and you just have to listen your teacher. If you listen your teacher, you get a lot of things. You will get a lot of ideas. You will get a lot of information. You know how to use the things. You know how to work on the different parts of language as well. So these steps, and if you practice all these steps one by one on a daily basis, you will be found yourself to be understanding about English language. So friend, understanding of English language is not a big deal. If you work on these activities one by one and utilize it on daily basis and under your daily routine, you will find and get how to use and how to get a good results about English language using. So friend, if you find a value from this video, so don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much.